Good morning, students. In the series of flower description belonging to different families, today we will discuss Indigofera belonging to the family Papilionaceae. Before we start, I would like to state some important thing belonging to this family. Engler and Prandtl, Bentham and Hooker, and some other taxonomists consider Caesalpiniaceae, Mimosaceae, and Papilionaceae as subfamilies of the family Leguminosae under the order Rosales. These three subfamilies are treated as distinct families by many botanists. Based on vast diversity of roots and certain other characters, Hutchinson has treated the three subfamilies under the order Leguminales. So this is the um, mm, um, brief description of the three families in the opinion of different taxonomists. We will discuss flowers from all these three families. Today we are discussing Indigofera belonging to the family Papilionaceae. According to Bentham and Hooker, it is subfamily of Leguminosae under the order Leguminae, Rosales. Indigofera innifila, a small perennial herb with branched taproot system. Stem is herbaceous, prostrate, branched, aerial, and green. Leaf is leaf is alternate, petiolate, stipulate, pinnately compound. This is compound leaf. Pinnately compound, imperipinnate. Number of leaflets is an odd number. Imperipinnate, 5 to 7 pinni or leaflets are present. 5 to 7 pinni or leaflets are present. Now one leaflet, each leaflet is entire, oblong or lanceolate, mucronate and unicostate reticulate venation. So this is all about the leaf, which is compound leaf, compound imperipinnate leaf having 5 to 7 leaflets. Inflorescence is racemose spike. This is inflorescence, it is racemose spike. Flower, one flower is this. Flower is bracteate, pedicellate, complete hermaphrodite, zygomorphic. Before we proceed, I would like to state some salient features of uh, Papilionaceae. These are flowers very zygomorphic, pistil imbricate, petals imbricate and adaxial, upper petal outside adjacent lateral petals, which is called wing. Stamens monoadelphous or diodelphous, rarely free. So these are some salient features of family Papilionaceae. Now comes, we are discussing flower. So flower is bracteate, pedicellate, complete, hermaphrodite, zygomorphic. Here we can see the zygomorphic position. We can see in the floral diagram also. We'll discuss it later. Zygomorphic pentamerous hypogynous cyclic and bright red colored papilionaceous corolla. Next comes to calyx. Sepals 5, Gamosepalous volvate, odd sepal anterior and green. This is here we can see odd sepal is anterior. These are green in color. Corolla petals 5. These are corolla petals 5. Polypetalous, they are free. Petals of unequal size and papilionaceous. This is characteristic feature of the family Papilionaceae where corolla are papilionaceous in arrangement. That is the posterior largest one being the vexillum or standard. Sorry. This is vexillum or standard. The two lateral ones being the wings. These are wings. Two lateral ones will be wings. And the two innermost ones united to form a keel or carina. These two united to form keel or carina. Vexillary or descending imbricate, violet red or bright red in color. There in this particular plant. And now comes to androecium. Stamens 10, diadelphous. That is 9 united with each other to form a tube and one is posterior and free. Yeah, this is 9 united to form a tube and one which is posterior is free. Dithecus, basifixed and intros. Gynoecium, monocarpellary, superior or semi-inferior, unilocular. Two ovules in the locule. Marginal presentation. Style curved. This is and stigma capitate. Fruit is a legume and floral formula is bracteate, bract in the axil of compound leaf. So bracteate, zygomorphic, hermaphrodite, K5 fused, C1 plus 2 plus 2 and last two are fused which are keel. One is vexillum, two are wings and the innermost two which are fused are known as keel. And androecium 9 united plus 1. Gynoecium 1 which is superior or sometimes it is semi-superior. Now we come to the identification and systematic position of the plant belonging to the family Papilionaceae. So seeds enclosed within the ovary wall, then it is definitely angiosperm. Presence of two cotyledons, reticulate venation and pentamerous flowers, dicot. Free petals, polypetally. Calyx gamosepalous, cup-shaped thalamus, calyciflory. Then roselles, characters of roselles, leaves under alternate and stipulate, diadelphous condition. Then it is roselles. Now comes the characters of family Papilionaceae. Zygomorphic flower, papilionaceous corolla, monocarpellary ovary, marginal placentation are all the characters of family Papilionaceae. And flowers, small flowers in racemose spike and flowers are bright red in color is the character of Indigofera. So, we can see the TS ovary, marginal placentation, unilocular ovary, zygomorphic flower, fused calyx, that is gamosepalous condition, vexillum, then wings, and these are keel. 9 plus 1 arrangement of androecium, and this is bract. So, this is all about the Indigofera eniphylla. Economic importance of this species, extract of plants of this Indigofera is used in bronchitis and hepatitis. Seeds are used in rheumatism, so it is of very much economic importance in medicinally. It is very much economically important. So this is all about the flower description of Indigofera. Thank you.